Embryonic boy babies are exposed to a massive dose of male hormone, testosterone, at 6 weeks after conception, at the moment his brain is beginning to take shape. However, a male fetus may have enough male hormones testosterone to trigger the development of male sex organs, but these may not be able to produce the additional male hormones to push the brain into the male pattern. His brain will stay female, so he will be born with a female brain in a male body. In the same way, a female baby may be exposed in the womb to an accidental dose of the male hormone and end up with a male brain in a female body. Thus, in fetuses, the level of testosterone seems to affect the personality and preferences of an individual.
Studies of male and female brains show differences in structure and function.
My brain is slightly smaller than Jad's. On average, women have 150 grams less in their heads, but this difference is considered irrelevant. As in most women, my corpus callosum is clearly larger than Jad's. Some scientists think this could mean that girls tend to use both the left and right sides to solve problems. Beneath the corpus callosum, you see the limbic system. Women typically have a larger deep limbic system than men, which allows them to be more in touch with their feelings and promotes bonding with others. Because of this ability to connect, more women serve as caregivers for children. The downside to this larger deep limbic system is that it also opens women up to depression. The hypothalamus here is colored yellow. It's very large in men, and only in men it is in charge of both sex and violence. These parts of the hypothalamus are saturated with the male sex hormone testosterone.
Students of Omar Farroukh School chose a nursery in Beirut having infants between the age of 3 and 5 years old. They isolated each infant and offered him or her first a female doll, then a car. Adding to the mystery, individuals simply don't always conform to the stereotypes. There are plenty of tomboys who show little interest in dolls, and boys who are drawn to girl activities from an early age. These kids are well within the norm. A girl who plays exclusively with dolls this month might move on to construction toys and blocks next month. Even if she never develops a fascination with toy cars, she may very well enjoy her bike and learn how to fix a chain. A boy may never pour imaginary tea for a doll, but he can learn how to take care of a pet and later raise a baby of his own. Biology is not destiny.
Take a close look at your own hand. Pay particular attention to your index and ring fingers. In women, the two fingers tend to be almost equal in length, as measured from the crease nearest the palm to the fingertip. The ratio of the index finger to the ring finger is called 2D/4D ratio. The length of the index finger of the right hand is 6.8 centimeter. The length of the ring finger of the right hand is 6.7 centimeters. High ratios are considered feminine. In women, the two fingers tend to be almost equal in length. But here, there is a special case. Her ring finger tends to be much longer than the index finger. The 2D/4D ratio for the right hand is less than 1, as well as the ratio for the left hand. Thus, her ratios are considered masculine.
Prenatal testosterone slows the growth rate of the right side of the brain while enhancing the growth of the left side. The left hemisphere is associated with better visual, spatial, and mathematical abilities, as is the 2D/4D ratio. Handedness may also be affected.
Although we have differences in brain structure,
we are more similar than different.
The reason of these differences
may be due to our society ethics and traditions.
This gives us an idea about our second research,
where we want to investigate the effects